Hi traders, this is Charge Zone. Hope you all had a fantastic week and enjoying the weekend today. So yesterday, as soon as the Nifty touched 18,000 mark, it was a free fall throughout the day. It was all along the way a free fall. Almost it was a 300 point fall. And in case of Bank Nifty, it was almost a 900 point fall, which is almost 2.5%. So it's pretty much scary. But if we take a look at the longer time frame, see, as we mentioned in our previous video, Nifty all along the way took its resistance at this trend line. Right from last year October, it took the trend line resistance at here, and in the month of January, and again in the month of April, and finally we got a breakout exactly on 12th of August 2022. It finally broke out, and according to me, yesterday's fall was exactly a retracement. I may be wrong, but according to me, if this is not broken, okay, this line is not broken, it is a clear retracement. It broke out, it retraced right till here, but it may go in this path, maybe, okay. Or else, if it is a fake breakout, it may even test this and come down. So we have to watch the upcoming week closely. So regarding yesterday, I've taken a trade in Bank Nifty. Let's switch on to Bank Nifty chart. Okay. Yeah. In this Bank Nifty chart, initially I waited. I just didn't enter in the morning itself. Okay. So the Bank Nifty started here. We'll be marking yesterday's day high as usual and yesterday's day low here. Okay. So exactly from yesterday's high, the Bank Nifty started and it went all the way down, and this is the CPR for yesterday. And from 9:30 to 10:45, almost for 1.5 hours, it was clearly in a consolidation phase. Just look at this. This area is full of consolidation for almost 1.5 hours. Okay, and it was also forming a pattern. See, I'll draw the trend line. Okay, just look at this. Okay, or we can also look like this. It was a clear pattern. See, it was forming this triangular pattern, and when it broke this pivot and also this pattern at 10:50 candle, almost 10:45 to 50 candle, that is where I entered. As it is Friday, I bought options. Okay, I didn't sell options. On the buying side, I bought 39,900 put option. I've gone with multiple lots. We'll discuss that on the strike price later. Okay, I'll show it in the chart. My entry was right here, and as usual my target would have been here, yesterday's low, but as it crossed yesterday's low, the selling severity was very high, so I just thought of waiting. I just waited. Okay, and I marked another support where it is here. Why this is considered as support? There is a gap on 16th and 17th of August. Nifty has taken a huge gap up. Okay, so this gap need to be filled. It almost filled the gap on that day itself, 75%, but the rest 25% of the gap is to be filled. So this gap filling I've taken as my target, and as soon as it reached the gap filling at 11:40 candle, I've booked my profit. See, I entered here and I booked my profit exactly here. It was almost 1.2% in Bank Nifty. So let's look at the strike prices now. The strike price, as I earlier mentioned, I've taken 39,900 put option. I bought it, okay? As it is Friday, I'm buying it. So my entry was exactly in this 10:45 to 50 candle, around 5:17. I exactly bought it at 5:12. Okay, my entry was 5:12, and as I discussed earlier, I exited in this 11:40 candle. This was my exit price. Around 9:30 was my exit price. So if one had gone with multiple lots in this, okay, just look at an example. See, if we had entered here in 5:12, where 5:12 at 10:50 candle, okay, with say 4 lots, that is 100 quantities. The capital required is almost around 50,000. With the capital of 50,000, the exit was around 9:35. You can also wait till here when it crosses 1,000, but to be on the safe side, we have exited over here 9:30, around 9:30. Let's check. 9:32 was okay the exit price. Just look at the profit for 4 lots. It was around 42,000. So with a capital of 50,000, you made 40,000 in a day. It was a free fall which helped us gain a massive profit with the least investment, that is capital. Okay, so yesterday was an easy day. Anyone with a minimal knowledge could have made good profit yesterday. So I've stated my entry and exit with exact logics and the reason behind it, and I'll also share the strike prices for it, right? And yeah, this is the overall view of my trade yesterday, that is on 19th of August 2022. As we discussed earlier, my entry was around here due to the CPR rejection. I'm buying the strike price. We are going with 4 lots for example, and the capital used and the profit, and we have exited over here, and this is the risk reward ratio. Thanks for watching the video. If you do like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.